Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. Do you need to create a form which will automatically send an email after submission? Well, that's possible with NoteForms. Let me show you an example. So here we have a customer registration form, and you want your customers to receive an email right after they send their submission. So here, let me put in my name and then my email address. And then I select the session, so morning session, and then confirm my registration and click submit. As easy as that. Right after submission, your customer will receive an email. So here you can see the example. Right after submitting the form, I already received the confirmation. NoteForms is a form builder that integrates primarily with Notion. Notion actually has its own form builder. It's straightforward and easy to use, especially if you're looking for a built-in form so you don't need to go out of Notion. However, it doesn't have advanced features such as email confirmation. So this is very helpful in cases where you would need your users, teams, or clients to receive a confirmation email as a proof of their submission. So let me walk you through on how to add an email confirmation to your form. So let's go to one of our forms. Let's go to the consent form, event participation. All you need to do is once you're already on your form on the dashboard, click on the integrations tab below the title. And on the integrations tab, just click on email confirmation, or sorry, email notification. And then here you can add at and then email. So whatever email that they enter would automatically receive a confirmation email. You can even personalize the email content. You can also add the sender name. You can change it from NoteForms. Let's say your company name is Archie, even the subject. So like, thank you for your registration. And then you can include submission data, whatever they submitted. You can include hidden fields or even allow them to view this in Notion. And just click save. And there you go. You already have your form integrated with the email notification. Hopefully this video helps, but if you still have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support, and we will be happy to answer your questions. Again, my name is Archie, and thank you so much for supporting NoteForms.